And now we are moving further for our next presentation, which is about Google Drive. So how to use Google Drive? So Google Drive is the best form to organize all your things, important documents in at one form, at one place. So and Google Drive also can be used for a collaborative work with the help of Google Sheet, Google Forms, Google Slides. So to introduce more about Google Drive, I would like to request Ruchi Joshi to, to please come on screen and share your ideas and your experience of using Google Drive. Ruchi Joshi, please.
Thank you, Asha. Uh, I am sharing my screen now. Is it visible?
No, still not.
Okay, just a second. Just a second. Now,
Yes, visible.
okay. Uh, as earlier I shared video about Google Drive, so I hope many students might have come across that video. What is Google Drive? So Google Drive is certainly not very new thing to all to you, but it is actually new because the way we are looking at this Google Drive, it is actually far more useful than this what we are actually knowing. So Google Drive is in which we can access our we can as Asha has also mentioned, we can work collaboratively, or one of the most important thing is when there is a bulky file, or let's say video, and we want to share with group or to many people, and to work even collaboratively, then to maintain quality is also very important. So if we share this via with the help of any other tools, it might decrease its quality. So for better quality purpose and to work collaboratively and better result, we go with Google Drive. So now what is you can also follow my steps. So this is the desktop view of how Google Drive looks in a PC, or let's say in a laptop. So uh, this is the look. And now very first thing is, because you all need to learn this how to upload on Google Drive, because your all assignments, presentations are also needed to be uploaded on Google Classroom by uploading in your drive. So very first thing what we will learn is how to upload file on Google Drive. So uh, I am stop sharing my screen from laptop, and uh, uh, very first we will learn how to share, how to upload any file in Google Drive from the phone. So uh, the Google Drive is something which you all might have in your phone already. If you don't have, you can download it also. So this is how Google Drive looks in a phone. So if we want to upload any file, any document, or any video in our Google Drive, what we have to do first is, there is a button of plus at the very at the bottom of our screen. we have to click on that plus button. You can also follow me, because it will not affect Google Meet and Google Meet, because if you upload any your file in, as earlier Rohit explained very well that how to use Google Meet, but it was quite kind of a, you cannot practice it while someone is teaching, but you can learn this, you can also practice this right now also. So first we will have to click on the plus button, and child menu will open. Create new. There is 6 folders like folder, upload, scan, Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google Slides. Then you have to click on upload. So yes, it is visible. And
Ruchi,
yes,
rotate your mobile.
okay, sorry. Is it visible properly now? Sorry guys.
Okay. Yes, it's okay.
So we have to click on 3 lines where written before download. So we can access from the whole phone. So it will say that what to upload. 1 second. Drive, upload. Okay. Yes. Then we have to select from where we want to upload. So I am opening my gallery. So very bulky file, it is difficult to upload right now only. So I am choosing one photograph I have taken right now only. And then we have to allow this to upload where the arrow button is given. So here I am clicking right now. And it will be get uploaded. Very next point is, if we want to share this file to anyone with the link, so how can we do this? So I am I'm selecting right now ICT presentation, which I have prepared for this and I am selecting the 3 dots button given after the where ICT presentation PPT.pptx is written, and I am selecting there. And this menu will open in front of me. So very first thing what I have to do is I have to click on link sharing off to enable it. So I am selecting link sharing off to enable it on. Now what might have happened is that when I clicked on link sharing off button, it turned into green. It needed to be turned into green. So it is a proof, kind of a proof that it will be shared. So link sharing, so our link will be shared. So, and we can copy that link and share and paste wherever we want to put it, or wherever with whom we want to share it. Now another very important thing is how to download anything, how to download any file, any document, or any folder from our Google Drive if anyone else has sent to us. So for that, what we will have to do is, there are 4 options at the very bottom of the screen: home, star, people, and the files. So I am selecting people, second last option. So this is what I have received in my Google Drive. Final schedule, banner of ICT committee, and all that things. So I have to click on, as we have uploaded the same way we can the same process we have to follow, but the process might be kind of a uh, uh, the way we up to down. Now it is just like down to up. So I am selecting on final schedule and the three buttons where it is given. So, and the same menu which earlier was opened, it will get opened, and at the very bottom, at the not very bottom, but at the in the last section, it will get down. It will shows the option of download. So from by clicking on download, you can download this, and it will get download in my phone. So I hope it is clear how to download and how to upload. The very this link sharing and to give ownership or to allow others to edit this plays very significant role in our in our academics, even where we are actually learning. So time and again you have to share your links. So be careful in learning this. So the very next point is, we can also start star any file if we want to access it immediately, so we can get it readily. So if I add any file to add to star, so it will get in starred files, and I can access this easily and find it easily. So now the very another thing is, when I click on, just second, files, okay. So we learn how to share link. The very next point is, when we want to share this via directly from drive to drive. So what to do is, we have to click on the share button, very first option. I am clicking on the share button, and this menu will open. So at the very where the symbol of given symbol of share is given, I have to click there and to add someone's Gmail to share this presentation. So for that, I am selecting just a second, it is getting guys, sorry, I am rotating my phone for just a second. Okay, is it visible properly? To write in landscape mode is quite difficult, so for that. And if we and at the so in where the name is selected, Bhumi Joshi, and if I select the option editor, then she can edit she can edit this presentation. If I click there on the editor, then one child window will open, which has three points: viewer, commenter, and editor. So while clicking on the viewer, they can only view that, they cannot edit this file. If we select the point of commenter, they can only comment. They can only comment. And by selecting editor, it will give ownership to them to have to kind of edit, to allow them to have editing in this. To make someone editor for particular file allows us to work work collaboratively also. So so if we select viewer, it will allow to view only, then only comment. And if I select editor, then it will allows someone to edit this. So this is editor, and then we can share by clicking on this button, and it will get shared. Okay, I hope these points are clear. I have tried some bit, and then now I will briefly touch upon from the desktop view also, because it is actually very friendly than this very friendly than mobile phone view. So just a second, I'm presenting from my laptop. Is Google Drive is open to all of you?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, we can see your screen. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. So how to upload from laptop? Then we can click on the new button, where click on the new button at the given in the corner, given in left corner. And by clicking on that, there are option: folder upload, file upload, Google Docs, Google Sheets, slides, forms. And we have to click on upload. Now as we have already look at this, it is actually very easy for us to access this route. So I'm going little bit faster. This is screenshot I am selecting, and you might see notification uploading one item, and now one upload completed. So this way we can upload. If someone has shared with me, then we can also download this by I have selected. Okay. So where we have to download in the desktop version is this, by clicking on the more action, the button of more action, and it will open this child window, and there is option of download. Okay, now you are seeing this properly. So this download button, so it will help you to download, and it will when we click on this, it will get download. The same way, allow someone to edit the files, or to share links with our. So I am selecting this PDF file. Then we have to click on to just a second, sorry friends, selecting PDF file. Then if we select here, if we go here, then it gives us directly the link. So we can take link directly from here. If we click here, and the window will open, share with the people and groups, and here the option is very clearly restricted. So the here what will happen is that if we restrict this file, then to whomever we share this file, they only can see that. So and if we can anyone with the link, so if I select that to they can access only can access who has this link. And here options are given: viewer, and if when we click on viewer, this will show us three options: viewer, commenter, and editor. So as we discussed in mobile version, so it work in the same way. So by clicking on editor or commenter, we can change whatever way we want to deal with. So and share with the people, so we have to add people and groups. So we have to then this way it will open. So from here we can also edit editor, viewer, and commenter, and we can type message for which with the which purpose we are sharing these files to them. So we can type here that I am sending this to have a look and guide me. Okay, yeah, this way we can write and send this message and send, and it will get shared. So this is primary things we need to learn about Google Drive, because time and again we have to use this. And another features of this is that when we click on new, there are important features of Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Docs, Google Sheets, slides, and forms. The way we are appearing in appearing in online quizzes, these are made on Google Forms. So this is also curious things to know, which we are feeling how it is made of. The very first is Google Docs, and this Google Docs gives facility for mobile version. We can download this directly with the app from the Play Store, Google Docs, and we can access this. But what important feature in desktop version is that we can in mobile when we if I am deliberately writing something, I are Ruchi. If I know that I have deliberately this is mistaken, I are Ruchi is a wrong sentence. So just a second. Yes, okay. So there is a blue line under I are Ruchi. So it shows me that I have made something. I have made something mistake. I have done something. So I am. They show suggestion that there needs to become M, not R. So it increase our writing in a easier way that no one can. It will teach us that, and by following this norm, we can learn. We can erase our grammatical mistakes also. So using Google Docs. Google Docs and preparing our thinking activities also in this Google Docs helps us a lot. Another feature there are so many features that we have to you all will learn in Blogger that how to arrange it properly. So this will follow the same way, how to attach links, images. So I'm not dealing with that. So you can think of how it looks better when it comes to digital. It is not only about the quality only, but it also needs to be needs to be see how it displays to all of us. So you can arrange it as properly as better way we can. Another very point is Google Sheets, in which you all of are filling the worksheet the worksheet done Rohit has prepared is where you are filling this Google Sheets. So from this we can work collaboratively also. So this also gives this also need this is private to only me. So we can change this. We have to permit this the same way that how do we want others to edit this or not, or do we want to allow them to only see. So this is a spreadsheet. And another feature of Google Slides is we can prepare our presentations in presentations here. We were in the last year in last semester we were habituated to prepare presentation in PowerPoint presentation, but as due to COVID-19 we all students have to access all students have to prepare their presentation, and it might not be possible for all students to have laptop. So how we can do it betterly from from our phone. So for that, in spite of using other apps, Google Slides plays Google Slide is very helpful. So we can prepare our presentation in this Google Slides. Sorry friends, I how to prepare from mobile we will deal, but you also learn that you feel sorry, I just so we can see we can import images upload from our phone or from our laptop and prepare our presentation. I am also not going to much deeper in this, because you will also learn how to prepare presentation in Google presentation in detail. So I hope I have tried to clear from my side clearly. If you have any questions, then you can ask me. Here are also some of the very important features in here is more actions are add to star. We can add to star. We can rename file anytime whenever we want to do. So we can copy this also. And right now I'm stop sharing my screen. I'm stopping to share. So I would I just like to touch upon briefly on the points I have covered up very briefly.
There is one question in chat box.
Okay, I'm looking at that. It is possible to delete from Google Drive. Yes, we can delete it also very easily. I am in my drive. You will see my drive open in front of you. So I have to see which file I can delete. Just a second. What I have uploaded right now, I can delete because it was not quite. Yes, I can delete this file. Essay on Corona. I participated in that competition, so I prepared it and uploaded on my drive. So with by clicking on remove file, here the option given is remove. By clicking there, we can remove it. The same way we can remove from our phone also, by clicking on the three dots, and the option will be given remove. So these are the important features, that how we can move our file, how we can activate our button, how we can activate the link button, and to make it if we want to available it offline, we can also do that. We can copy and download also. Now how to turn on link sharing on Google Drive from mobile device, that we can go click on these three dots, and when we click there, it will turn into green, and we can get link from the copy link here. Then we also mentioned share, add to star, available offline, link sharing, copy link. Next is how to turn on link sharing on Google Drive from desktop. So we have also dealt with. So restricted, if we want to make it restricted or anyone with the link. And another we jumped on how to give ownership to our friends, or to whoever we want to work it collaboratively. And how to allow someone to edit your file. So by giving them ownership or making them editor, we can easily allow them to work contributively or to make any kind of changes. Yes, one more thing is if we allow someone to to edit this, then and then one can only download this file. So these are the features of Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides we dealt with. And thank you very much. And thanks a lot to ICT committee for providing me this opportunity as a resource person to deal with Google Drive. Thank you very much, friends. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask me by come on the screen and also in chat box. Or if it is difficult to solve it right now, we can also solve this later on. So happy learning. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, Ruchi. You have explained very well, but I can understand SEM 1 students condition કે કઈ ખાવાનું તો છે નહીં કે તમે ખાઈ લેવાના, but if you practice it, તમે practice કરશો તો તમને સવાલ થશે, બાકી બધું ઉપરથી જ જવાનું છે. So later on you all can ask question to Ruchi or to ગમે એને તમને ગમે એને પૂછી શકો છો. So now blogger, yes.
Sorry for interruption, but I would like to add one thing in Google Drive. Ruchi, can you please tell semester 1 students, because last year it was happened. Whenever we share the entire folder with someone, right? With someone and give access to all the people, like whole class, then what happens is that whenever a person access that folder and tries to remove or delete at the additional files and only keeps his or her file, then what happens is that the folder the result is like that the entire class would not be able to see, because if one person removes 5 files, then entire class will not able to see the 5 files. And so you can also elaborate on this, that the new student shall try not to remove any files from a folder which is shared to others.
Thank you, Kavisha. Very interesting point. I just forget, because we have also experienced that by it might happen that one may not try to do it deliberately, but it can happen, because while if we are typing from our mobile phone and by clicking in our phone, when we click here, it sometimes it gets click on here. So where we want to do, we are not actually doing that. So for that, which folder we are shared, we have to be very careful that we should be very careful. There is no chance of having any kind of mistake, because this mistake removes others' data, and because we are knowing that we have because of our mistake, the data is distorted. And sometimes it also happens that from which student this is distorted also not tells to another. So happens is that who has mentioned their name in the form, mention in name in their in spreadsheet, they are unaware that we have filled our data, so they are careless. So we should not. One more thing is, we should also not be careful. What we have mentioned, we keep on checking what we have mentioned is exactly in this way or not. But we also tries to look on our mistake, that it should, because of our mistake, others should not suffer. So this point we have to be very careful, because we have to make someone editors also, and while editing we have to be very careful also. Thank you, Kavisha, for pondering upon these points.
Thank you both of you. So Blogger is the tool to enhancing our critical thinking, and it gives